Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to our physics class. I'm your physics teacher from United Public School, Tandor. Okay, to what we are discussing? We are discussing the ninth class, third chapter. What is that? Law of motion. Laws of motion. What is meant by law? Law means rules. What is meant by motion? Motion is nothing but movement, any movement of the body. In this chapter, what we are discussing? We are discussing the motion of the body. Laws, how many rules is applicable when the body is in motion? How many condition is applicable when the body is in motion in the movement? Okay. Up to that, what we are discussing? We are discussing the definition of force, type of force. In the type of force, we are discussing about the balanced force and unbalanced force. Okay, we are completing these topics. Today we are discussing about the next topic, Newton first law of motion. Okay, what we are discussing today? Today we are discussing the Newton first law of motion. What is the Newton first law of motion? A body at rest will remain at rest, and the body in a motion will continue in a motion in a straight line with a uniform speed. What is uniform speed, ma'am? Uniform means that the body travel equal distance in equal interval of time. We are discussing now what is uniform. Uniform means a body is travel in a equal distance and equal interval of time. Okay, uniform speed unless it repelled by an external unbalanced force. We are also discussing about the unbalanced force. What is unbalanced, ma? Okay, what is unbalanced? The body is applied the unbalanced force from here. When we apply the 10 Newton from right side towards the right side, the 5 Newtons from left side towards the left side, means that these forces are equal, these forces are unequal, means it is an unbalanced force. Here is an object. When we apply the 10 Newton force towards the right side, when we apply the 5 Newtons of force towards the left side, means that it is an unbalanced force. Okay, this is an unbalanced force. The motion is possible or not, ma? The motion is possible in an unbalanced force. Yes, the motion is possible in an unbalanced force. When we apply the 5 Newton, here also 5 Newton, means the motion of the object, it is not possible. The motion of the object is not possible. Okay, when we apply the unbalanced force, the motion, the body can change its state of rest, either state of motion. Okay, ma'am, up to that clear? What it is, state of rest or uniform motion? What is the Newton first law, ma'am? The Newton first law said that the body is rest. Okay, when the body is rest, when the body is move in a uniform speed, it will be remain at same state, means that अगर बॉडी रेस्ट में है तो रेस्ट में ही रहेगी, और अगर मोशन में है तो कंटिन्यू मोशन में ही रहेगी जब तक हम उसको कोई एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं करते. वो कौन सा फोर्स? अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स. अनबैलेंस फोर्स अगर हम अप्लाई नहीं करते जब तक वो बॉडी अपनी स्टेट को चेंज नहीं करती, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन. व्हाट इज दैट? बॉडी एट रेस्ट रिमेन एट रेस्ट, मीन्स बॉडी अगर रेस्ट में है तो वो रेस्ट में ही रहेगी, रिमेन एट रेस्ट. एंड द बॉडी इन मोशन विल बी कंटिन्यू इन ए मोशन इन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन विथ यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. मीन्स दैट अगर वो बॉडी मोशन में है तो वो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से ट्रैवल हो रही, तो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से ही ट्रैवल होगी. अनलेस इट इज कंपल्ड बाय एक्सटर्नल अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स. जब तक अगर व्हेन वी if you want to stop any car speed, when the car is moving the fast, okay, we want to stop the car, what we have to do? We have to apply the brakes. Okay, we have to apply the brakes, means we have to apply the unbalanced force on the brake. Then only our car will be stopped, nama. Similarly, anybody can change its state after applying the external force. That force is unbalanced. That force should be unbalanced force. Okay, here is an example. What is that? To explain the Newton first law of motion, here is the example. What is that? The object at rest stay at rest. An object in a motion state in a motion with the same speed in a same direction unless acted upon an unbalanced force. Here also same said, अगर बॉडी रेस्ट में है तो वो रेस्ट में ही रहेगी, अगर मोशन में है तो मोशन में ही रहेगी, जब तक हम कोई इसके ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं करते. विच फोर्स इट इज? अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स. Here one object is there. The object at rest. The object at rest state. Rest means object क्या है? State rest में है. Okay. Come to the next point. The object. Come to the next. The object acted upon by an unbalanced force. State rest. Okay. The object here is object. What is the two persons applying the force? Okay. Two persons applying the force. Two person. Which force is applying here? It is an unequal force, equal force. It is applying the equal unbalanced force. Okay. Here the apply here. This person is applying the 10 newtons for. Suppose he apply the 10 newtons of force towards the right side. Means it is a plus 10. Here the one person is there. He applying the 10 newton of force towards the left side. Means minus 10. Means plus 10 minus 10 get cancelled. Means it is a, there is no force apply on the object. Means it is a motion is not possible. Okay, the motion is possible here. The motion is not possible because it is the two persons is applying the balanced force. Balanced force he applying is the applying the balance force. That's why the motion is not possible. In the next step, what we have done, the person is come to the next side. What will happen here? In the next step, the object acted upon by the unbalanced force change the speed and direction. And the next step, what will happen? The next person, the before person come to the next side, means that the two person is applying the force in the same direction. Means both person applying the same direction, same force in the same direction towards the right side. Means the possible of the object, the motion of the object is possible. The object is change it speed and direction. Okay, the object it is here. Okay, up to here. After applying the force, it change the state. It changes state and changes speed. Okay, what is the first example? It is a rest. When applying the force, it changes state. Okay, it changes state. It changes to the motion state. It is a rest state. After applying the force, it motion state. We are discussing the one example. What is the first example? Is the rest to motion. Okay, we are discussing the rest to motion. In that, we are discussing the motion to rest. Okay, the second example, after in the first example, what we are discussing the object in rest. After applying the rest, after applying the unbalanced force, the object will be change its state. Okay, up to that clear? Second example is that after applying the force, the moving body it get rest. Okay, it get rest position. Okay, today with this here object at rest, stay at rest means the ball is in rest state. Okay, ball is in rest state. The object acted upon by an unbalanced force change the speed and direction. What will happen? The ball here, the person is there, he applying the force on unbalanced force, means he applying the force in a one side. Okay, when we apply the force on a both side, it will be balanced force. Here the person is applying the force in a one direction. Here also one direction. The two person is applying the unbalanced force in a one direction. Here also the one direction. Only one direction is force applied. Means it is an unbalanced force. The object acted by an unbalanced force. This object is acted by an unbalanced force. And change, what we will be change? It change the speed and direction. A ball is change the speed and direction after applying the acted upon the unbalanced force. Up to that clear? Come to the next step. What is the object? An object, what is that? An object in a motion stay in motion. After hitting the ball, what will happen? It changes speed and direction. It will be in motion state. After hitting, after play, first it is in rest state. It is in rest state. After applying the unbalanced force, after hitting the ball, it will be in motion. The object in motion stay in motion. अगर मोशन में है तो मोशन में ही रहेगा. The object acted upon by an unbalanced force change the speed and direction. What will happen with the speed moving? The ball is moving now after hitting the net. The net is applying some force, means after applying the force, what will happen? The After hitting the net, what will happen? The motion of the ball is it change its state, means it will be in rest position. After hitting the net, what will happen? After hitting the net, the ball will be at rest state means it lose the motion. It's losing the it motions. Okay, after hitting the ball, it will be in rest position, not in motion position, because the net is after hitting the net, means net is after hitting the net is applying the unbalanced force to the ball. Okay, ma, up to that clear? Okay, this is the examples of Newton first law of motion. Newton first law of motion is nothing but just object at a rest object in a motion, staying in a motion with the same speed and in a same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. जब तक हम कोई फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं करते वो रेस्ट है, सो रेस्ट पोजीशन पे जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो रेस्ट पे ही रहेगा. अगर मोशन में है तो मोशन पे ही मोशन में ही रहेगा जब तक हम फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं करते. ओके, दिस इज द स्मॉल डेफिनेशन ऑफ Newton first law of motion, and this is the examples of Newton first law of motion. Here also example of Newton first law of motion. What is there? The ball is ground is there. The ball is at rest position. Here the ball is at rest position. The object at a rest remain at rest, means object is there, it is rest position, means it is remain at rest, means अगर वो रेस्ट पे ही रहता जब तक, अनलेस ए नेट फोर्स एक्ट ऑन इट, जब तक अगर कोई फोर्स उसको अप्लाई नहीं करे वो मोशन में नहीं आता, मीन्स इट कैन नॉट बी एट इन मोशन स्टेट विदाउट अप्लाइंग द फोर्स. ओके, what is the ball is moving. Here two arrows is there na, means two arrows indicates that the object is motion state. The object is motion state means that the ball is moving, means the object. Two arrows indicate that the ball is moving. Here or arrows is not there now, means that it is a rest position. The ball is at rest position. Here the two arrows is there, means the two arrows indicate that the ball is in motion state, means the ball is moving. An object in motion will be remain in motion unless the net force act on it, means that when we can, without applying the force, we cannot stop the ball, we cannot decrease the speed of uniform speed of this ball. Means that after applying force only we can stop the ball. After applying the force only we can move this ball, means after applying the force the object can be changed its state from rest to motion to state. This is the Newton first law of motion. Okay, ma'am, today's class is completed. Okay, today's class is completed. Just you have to complete your notes, and whatever give a definition, just you have to complete it and send me in the group. Okay, thank you.